Hello and welcome to another cue breakdown. We're looking at a horror cue. If you've just heard this for Happy Halloween, you might want to skip ahead to the actual breakdown because I'm going to play it through to start with. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe is always appreciated. So we'll have a listen to it. I'll flick through the different parts that are coming up and then we'll see how I've put it together. Okay, welcome back. So let's go from top to bottom and see what we've got going on here. So to start with, there's two piano parts. There's the noir felt, which is doing this. Picking up the melody, and you can see that's got quite a bit of reverb on it and a stereo delay as well. What do we do with that? So eighth notes and quarter notes. Then we've got a piano synth, which is Sequus Piano Polyrhythms. And this has had the EQ off the bottom removed, and we've boosted some of the high frequencies. So this is chromatic movement, make it a bit unsettling. And they come in and out with each other, and as normal, you know, we're bringing everything in pretty much by the end. There's a little bit of a Glock piece here which follows the melody as well. And that was just to bring out those higher tones. Then we've got a high pad. This is from Arcis, Song of Uncertainty. Then we've got a second one. Oliver Arnold's Stratus, Synth Matrix Waves. then it builds as we go along. So various elements coming in and out. Let's jump there. So we're starting to follow the tune there. So that's building on top of everything else. Then we've got a third pad, which is Contemporary Drama Toolkit, the Granular Air. So this is adding a higher pitched frequency. Okay, now we're into some percussion. So we've got Urban Percussion from Uncharted 88. So sort of like footsteps was my thinking there. Then we've got a bit more rhythmic build up. And then nice bit of stereo effects going on there, moving things around. Then we've got the low hits from Damage. To give it that sort of cinematic boom. We've got some more Uncharted here. So those are those sort of rips you can hear on piano strings. Really fun library to play around with that. Then we've got two sort of shepherd tones, one going down and one going up. And the way I've done this is by automating the pitch bend. So if you're on small speakers or little headphones, you might not hear this. It does go down quite low. And then the opposite happening on the up. But when you combine them both, you get that really nice low growl. And your ears can't quite tell if it's going up or if it's going down. Again, adding to a bit of uncertainty. For that I used Mosaic Bass, the aggressive category in the Ashes pad. We've then got a synth drone from Arcus, the grinding drone. Love that low bass, it's great. And then later on, that's just the one instrument and the one note. Really fills it out. There's a couple of reverses. And then there's the other one here. A slightly longer one. Then we've got two lots of choirs. So we've got the high choir. I'll play the end part actually, which I just missed. This is vocalised 3 on the Rs. gives a really nice sort of shimmer over the top of the vocals that are going on. And then the low choir. Again, vocalised, but it's vocal drone 12. So less articulated in terms of ums and ahs, and more of a pad to build up that low bass. Then we get into the vocals that were recorded by the brilliant Florence and Emily. So we've got the sung part.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
And you can see I've put a load of effects on here. We've got stereo delay, we've got punish, chroma verb, we've put a spreader on it to widen the sound. And then in terms of EQ, what I've done is taken the low end off as well, because we didn't need that. There's plenty of low end already going on. Then we've got a whispering part.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
And again, processing that quite heavily. Finally, I wanted to have an accent, so I chopped out the word sky, put a stereo delay on it and boosted it, so we get this.
Sky, 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 like a diamond in the sky, sky, sky.
That's really effective. And then finally, we've got the phone futs vocals. So this is taking the sample again. Sticking a stereo delay on, and I did a video on this about how to use the EQ effect, and not forgetting that there are presets. So I wanted to have a phone effect, so there is actually a preset called phone filter notch. So you don't need to go trying to work it out, you just go to the preset and turn it on. That's about it. So I hope you found that interesting. Don't forget, like and subscribe is appreciated. I'll play it through again for you, because this time you'll probably be able to pick out the different bits and hear them as it goes through. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye for now.